back with another go-kart video, and you see I've done a lot of work but I didn't record, so I decided I'm gonna get out the camera and record some stuff that I'm working on today. What I've done, I hooked up this snorkel here, and on the inside you can't see it, but there's a new air filter in there. The stock air filter on the go-kart was way more restricting than I thought it was. So when I put this new one on here, the mixture in the carburetor was way too lean for it to run. So what I'm gonna do here is I've got these new jets for the carburetor. I'm gonna slowly work my way up from the one that's in there until we have the right air fuel mixture. What I've got to do here is take off the carburetor bowl so I can get to the jet. And I drained all the gas out of it already. So now that that's off, the jet is up the middle of the carburetor, and it has a straight slot. So using a straight slot screwdriver, I should be able to feel it and unscrew it. So there it is. This little thing is what the fuel goes through to mix with the air. You can see the little hole through the center. I need to find one with a slightly bigger hole. For the jet kit I ordered, all of the jets included are too small. The largest one is the same size as the stock jet. So I got this twist drill set starting at 0.8 millimeter. So I'm gonna work my way up the sizes until the go-kart works again. Now I'm gonna put in the jet and we're gonna see how it runs. Alright, that did pretty good, so I think now I'm going to take it for a spin in the snow. The go-kart is working again. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what you need to do if you ever get a new air filter for your small engine. It's not running right. Probably means it's too lean and you need to jet the carburetor. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you see it's snowing a lot, so I'm probably going to make another snow plowing video here pretty soon. So I'll see you in that one.